Student, this is Palash Chakraborty, assistant teacher, Square High School and College. Welcome to my class. This subject Hindu religion and moral education, class 7, chapter 4, lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, it's time to declare today's topic. So here we have seen some pictures. So from the very pictures we can gaze. So it's a prayer, going to school, yogasana. So from the very pictures we can gaze. So what is the topic today? So it is Nitya Karma and yogasana. So let's go for detail. So from the morning to night, the daily work we do is called Nitya Karma, that is daily duties. So there are 6 kinds of Nitya Karma. These are Pratha Kirta, Purvanna Kirta, Madhyana Kirta, Aparanna Kirta, Sayanna Kirta and Naisha Kirta, that is Ratri Kirta. They make our body and mind pacified, pure, clean, active and filled with the best thoughts. We need practice to keep our body and mind well. So daily exercise of yogasana is important. So to keep the body strong and disease free and to remove the restlessness of mind, the benefits of Sukhasana, Shalbhasana and Paschimottanasana are undeniable. Okay, so we will read today lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is Nitya Karma. So the time from morning to night is divided into 6 parts, that is Pratha, Purvanna, Madhyana, Aparanna, Sayanna and Naisha. So keeping these 6 division of time, the daily duties have been divided into 6 parts, that is Pratha Kirta, Purvanna Kirta, Madhyana Kirta, Aparanna Kirta, Sayanna Kirta and Ratri Kirta, that is Naisha Kirta. So firstly we will read Pratha Kirta. So getting up from the sleep before the sunrise, one has to sit facing the north to utter mantras, remembering God or goddesses. So there are fixed hymn for this in your religious books. Recite the mantra every morning. After this, coming outside, one has to remember one's guru and should salute or pranam to the earth and the sun. Every day, one has to salute parents in the morning and evening. Then one has to be dressed up after washing hands and legs and taking a bath. That is Pratha Kirta. Now Purvanna Kirta. So after Pratha Kirta till the Madhyana, the work we do is called Purvanna Kirta. Prayer, adoration and puja should be done during this time. So this work should be done daily by all in a family. Then other works of the day should be started, such as to eat, to go to work, to household chores, to study or to go to school, everything. So this is called Purvanna Kirta. Now Madhyana Kirta. After Purvanna till Aparanna, the work we do is Madhyana Kirta. So this time is noon. So this is the time for taking lunch and taking rest. If any guest comes at noon, she or he should be fed properly, because scripture says the guest is Narayana. So by serving the guest, we serve God. Now Aparanna Kirta. After the noon till the Sandhya, the work which is done is called Aparanna Kirta. So this time is called evening. So at this time we do useful work for us and family. Besides doing sports, taking physical exercise or having a walk keeps our body fit. Sandhya Kirta, that is Sayanna Kirta. Shayana means Sandhya. In twilight, we must be neat and clean, washing your hands and face. So then you have to worship God. So God should be praised with songs, praises, respect, and devotion. Last but not the least, Naishakritya. So during the time from evening till going to bed, the work we do is called Naishakritya. Studying and another useful works are done during this time. So it is the time for taking supper and going to bed. Then on the bed, the word Padmanabha, which is the name of Sri Vishnu, should be uttered because the scripture says Shayane Padmanabhancha. So this is all about the daily work we do. So keep practicing the daily work. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and be blessed. Thank you.